days later, he says, I'm going to make coasters up. So everybody who attends should have a wagon and a coaster. And I want to say thank you to Brad.
You're a good man, Brad.
Brad Gunther,
Good man, Brad.
he was another one stepped right up. Ray, whatever you need, you let me know. And Matt was working hard behind the scenes. And I can't say enough to thank Matt.
Thank you, Matt. Absolutely.
Matt.
No problem, guys. It was worth it.
The other thing, Mitch is around here somewhere. There he is. Him. Matt and myself and Ken Huffaro had a little meetup back in January. And we said we should do it again. And that's where this idea came from. And we sort of March, we picked this location, be closer to Mitch. And I want to thank you to Mitch. And he did a phenomenal video to show this location. And I can't say enough to thank Mitch. And anybody else who I'm forgetting, thank you all for your help. But I don't mean to bring this all down now, but can we just have a moment of silence for Rick Halvin?
That was like a color spinning up for a second. You got a little
Hey, Ray, are you going to get in here? Come here. Come on, Ray. I think everybody touches this. You probably know Rick at some point. Or turn around with
Oh, this guy is awesome, man.
What do you think of
Over
that?
the freezing water for me.
I thought it was DJI calling me.
Yeah.